This is a spicy, nummy, nutty, umami dish served with some cucumber and bamboo shoot. This is my mouth-watering chicken. Hey guys, welcome to Flavor Fridays. My name is Ryan, and today we're gonna make some mouth-watering chicken. We're gonna start off with a pot of boiling water. Gonna put it in the highest heat on your induction. And then I got here some chicken thighs. So I got it boned in. Of course you can get it boneless, but boned in will create that wonderful flavor. You can also get the whole leg, and that will taste amazing as well. So I'm gonna put the chicken in now, followed by my aromatics. So I just cut the spring onion into batons, slice the ginger, and just peel the garlic. Gonna put all the aromatics in, nice and easy. And last but not least, some Sichuan peppercorn to give it that umami and some numbing flavor for the chicken. So once it starts rapidly boiling, so not now, now it's just starting. Once it starts rapidly boiling, we're gonna turn it down to a low heat, close the lid on, keep it for a good 20 to 25 minutes, then turn it off, and then let it steam for another 10 to 15 minutes. And now we're gonna start with the garnishes. So I got some cucumber, I got some spring onions, and this is very special. That is a bamboo shoot. I have the cucumber here. We're gonna slice it in an angle. The bigger the better. We're not gonna use a lot, just a little bit, maybe a quarter to a third. And then here's my beautiful trick I usually do, is lay them up in one single line and then cut it into slices. And you'll do the same with your bamboo shoot and your spring onion as well. Now, we're gonna make the sauce. Basically, the sauce encompasses the chili oil with Sichuan peppercorn powder. We just crushed it with the Sichuan peppercorn, and a little bit of sugar. We got some soy sauce, we got some black vinegar, some sesame paste. If you don't have it, a very great substitute is peanut butter, and some garlic and ginger. So you just wanna mix everything together. Very simple. The chili oil, you need to get the Sichuan one because it has the nice numbing flavor. If you just get normal chili oil, it won't have the same effect. So you can see the color is a little bit more on the creamier side, and that's what we want. Once you mix everything together, I have some sesame seed. We're gonna sprinkle that over as well, give it some nice color, and then mix that in. And your sauce is ready. If it's a little bit too thick, you can always add a little bit of broth that we just cooked just now, just to thin it out a little bit, but I think this thickness should be fine. So once your chicken is done cooking, we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna put it in cold water as well. We're gonna stop the cooking. Now your chicken is done, you got your garnish ready, you got your sauce ready, it's time to plate. If you want the best result for your chicken, you can put it into the fridge and set it for overnight or a minimum of 3 hours to make sure the meat just stays intact. First of all, we are gonna go with the cucumbers. I'm gonna put it into the center along with your bamboo shoot. We wanna create like a dome, so that way when we plate the chicken, it looks like it's curved rather than straight. Once I got my little dome ready, it's time to cut the chicken. So if you don't want the bone, you can always take out the bone, but I like the bone, so it's not gonna be a big hassle for me. You want it nice and thin as well. So cut it in, and then slap it. And you got a nice piece of chicken. And then the spring onion. All right guys, this is my mouth-watering chicken, and it's now time to taste. Here we go. The flavor is really good. This is numbing, spicy, and it's like a very refreshing starter slash appetizer for you to eat during a Chinese banquet. Wow, this is really good. That's like restaurant quality. Thank you for watching Flavor Fridays. This is my take on a mouth-watering chicken. And let me know in the comments below what dish makes your mouth water. And of course, see you next Friday.